happening right now. Tow truck drivers who led a procession on freeways starting in Escondido and going down here to El Cajon have now gathered for a funeral. You may have noticed the trucks this morning. This was their special tribute to another tow truck driver who was killed on the 78. 10 News reporter Jabar Issa is live in El Cajon with how the tragedy is really hitting home for these other drivers. Jared?
Virginia, I spoke to several drivers before the funeral here at St. Michael's Catholic Church in El Cajon this morning. They told me after this latest accident, a lot of them weren't sure if they wanted to be tow truck drivers anymore. But they all got back in their trucks today to honor a fallen friend and hopefully make the roads safer. The long procession of tow trucks had a dual meaning as it rolled down San Diego's freeways Wednesday morning. The drivers were honoring their friend, Jabar Issa, who died Saturday when he was hit by a truck as he changed a tire on the 78. The 48-year-old father of three is now one of an estimated 60 tow truck drivers killed on the road every year in the U.S. That's why this procession's other meaning was an effort to remind drivers of move-over laws designed to keep emergency workers safe.
You see flashing lights, whether it's a car, whether it's a tow truck, whether it's a police car, a fire truck, whatever, move over.
The motorists should slow down and move over where they can. If not, at least slow their speed where they can react to what's going on the scene. Rubbernecking doesn't work here.
The other issue that drivers wanted to promote this morning is called their Tow First initiative, where they encourage people to be towed off the road to a safe spot before any work is done on their car. They say that, plus the move over rules, could prevent a tragedy like this from ever happening again. Live in El Cajon, Jared Issa, 10 News.